How to see Street View in Google Maps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can see Street View in Google Maps. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is make sure that you have the Google Maps. You can easily get it from your Google Play Store or App Store. After you have it, open it up. After you do that, you can simply head over to any place that you want on the map. And after you do that, you will see on the top right corner this layer icon. Tap on the layer icon and you will see different maps. Now from here, you will need to select Street View. It's right here. Tap on Street View and now it will show you the street views. Now all you need to do is tap on a place you want to view. After you tap on it, it will simply show you the street view. You can expand on it. And now you can just, scroll ahead. You can see different areas. You can see different places. You can also go back and then head over to someplace else. And with that, that is how you can see the street view in Google Maps, guys. And that is basically it. That is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.